Hey guys, carrying on with the second part of our notes here. Hey, check it out. I got Miss Johnson's notes. She's a really good classmate and shared with me. What I want to do is I want to go back now and I'm going to throw some examples in here. Because when we're looking at rational numbers, it's any number that can be written as a fraction. Well, one that we all know, and notice I'm just going to go back with a different color and add these in, okay? Let's take something, we'll start real simple and we'll go like just 1/2. It's a ratio or a fraction, but I also need to write it as a decimal, okay? And I can look at that and it's 5/10. And if we look at this decimal here, repeating or terminating decimals, that's terminating, comes to an end, okay? If I look at, say, a little bit longer, this is just kind of a, random decimal. I'm sure none of you guys are even recognizing 125 thousandths. Okay. That's a pretty straight up easy one because I also know that that equals 1/8. Okay. So it still fits in with repeating and terminating decimals that we can use, write it as a fraction. Now, what about a repeating example? Well, the easiest one we know of, that's 1/3, okay? Because 1/3 is equal to that 3/10 repeating. Remember, the bar over says it's going to keep repeating on us. That's a great example of repeating. There was one more that we were talking about. I'm going to fit it in over here. What if I have, let's say, the number 4? Is that a rational number? Yes, because I can rewrite that as a terminating decimal, 4.0, or I can go ahead and put it as a fraction as 4/1. So most of the numbers you work with, whether it's a fraction or a decimal, are going to be rational numbers. The one you need to pay attention to is when it gets to repeating, do you see your bar? Or do you see a pattern in those numbers? Either one of those will work.